What do you do when a moment you waited for entire life finally arrives, but you're not on the field anymore to receive it? And what do you feel when history is about to repeat itself, this time in front of 35,000 roaring fans, with the tricolour on one side and the crescent moon on the other? This is not just cricket news, this is a week that rewrote emotions on the pitch. When South Africa defeated Australia in the World Test Championship final at Lord's, it wasn't just a trophy lifted, it was 27 years of heartbreak exhaled in one collective breath. But one image outshone even the trophy. A man not in whites but in the studio lights, Dale Steyn. The camera caught him holding his old test cap, his voice cracked as he said quietly, "I'll take care of my son for a while and life will carry on." A legend, 439 test wickets, countless broken stumps, and yet no ICC titles in his playing career. So when this nation finally lifted one, it felt like a part of his story was completed too. The internet called it the moment of the year. But for every South African cricket fan, it was the moment of a lifetime. Steyn didn't need a medal around his neck, his tears told the whole story. And now we turn from the past to what lies ahead. October 5, 2025 marked the date because it's not just another World Cup fixture, it's India versus Pakistan, this time in the 2025 ICC Women's ODI World Cup, a first ever face-off on this grand ICC stage. The match will unfold at R. Premadas Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka, a neutral venue chosen under the ICC's hybrid model. Why? Because tensions still keep these teams apart off field, but on field the fire remains undiminished. India starts their campaign on September 30 in Bangalore. Pakistan, meanwhile, will play all matches in Sri Lanka. But the one that has the world watching is the clash on October 5th. It's not just about points, it's about pride, pressure, presence. Two teams, one battlefield, and billions watching. From Dale Steyn's trembling voice in studio to Harmanpreet Bisma and 35,000 fans waiting under Colombo lights, cricket reminds us again and again it's not played only on turf, it's played in memories and emotion, in rivalries that sting and in victories that heal. And whether it's tears of a legend or the tension of a showdown waiting to explode, we the fans, we live every over, every moment, every heartbeat because this is the 22 Yard Stories.